In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so you only see the alerts that matter, right when you need them. Start on your Salesforce home screen in Lightning Experience. From here, look to the top right of the page for the gear icon. That gear is your gateway to configuration. Click it, and in the menu that opens, choose Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the Setup area, which is where Salesforce centralizes all admin and personalization controls. Once setup loads, look to the top left for the quick find search bar. Click into that field and type the word notifications. As you type, Salesforce filters the setup options in real time, so you don't have to scroll through long menus. In the results, select Salesforce notifications. This page is dedicated to how alerts are delivered across Salesforce, including the bell icon in the app, desktop notifications, and settings that may also affect the Salesforce mobile app if your organization uses it. On the Salesforce notifications page, review the available options carefully. You'll typically see controls to enable or disable specific delivery channels and to refine how and when users are notified. Think about what's most useful for your team: in-app notifications for real-time updates or working in Salesforce, desktop notifications for alerts even when you're in another tab, and mobile push notifications if you rely on the Salesforce mobile app while on the go. If your browser prompts you for permission to show notifications, be sure to allow it, otherwise desktop alerts won't appear. Keep in mind that available options can vary based on your edition, features enabled in your org, and your permissions. As you make your choices, aim for signal over noise. Enable the channels that would genuinely help you react quickly to important events, and consider discouraging duplicate alerts across multiple channels if that might overwhelm users. If your organization allows it, you can let users fine-tune their own preferences later, but setting a sensible default here helps everyone start off on the right foot. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. Look for the confirmation banner to ensure your changes were applied. If you want to validate the setup, you can trigger a typical alert scenario, like assigning a task to yourself, and confirm you receive it in the channel you enabled. If something doesn't come through, double-check browser notification permissions, any system-level do not disturb settings, and, for mobile, the operating system's notification permissions for the Salesforce app. That's it. Your Salesforce notifications are now set up for clarity, timeliness, and focus.